Legislators say the high lending rates have forced businesses to price products expensively so as to be able to remain afloat. MP says products are 35 to 49% costlier in Kenya as businesses seek to recover their costs and be able to repay their expensive loans from banks.
Most members of the community has been afraid in the taking the loans, Madam Speaker. Finally, Madam Speaker, I would like to say that this bill calls on the banks that fraud the regulations to be put into account and punitive measures to be put into place to ensure that if the bank violates a banking regulation, somebody is put into account, and I think the fine which has been proposed, the amendment for 1 million shillings, is quite adequate, Madam Speaker.
The high interest rates charged by banks have denied a significant number of Kenyans access to affordable credit. To correct this, the National Assembly has passed the Banking Amendment Bill 2015, which, if assented to into law, will see interest rates on loans capped at 4% of the central bank rate.
We are under a lot of pressure, Madam Speaker, from the interested parties, especially the banking sector, who are really opposed to it. But we categorically told them that we don't need to go their way. We have to go the way where we see the common mwananchi on benefit, and also they will be put into check so that they can also be able to not to look at their profits, but the benefits their customers reap from their services.
I would also wish once, and I believe this bill is going to be ascended to, the central bank governor moves very fast and ensures its implementation. Because, Madam Speaker, I've been going through even the previous Banking Act, and nowhere, Madam Speaker, it provides for closure of banks which do have financial problems.
Based on the current central bank rate of 10.5%, banks will be required to charge at most 14.5% on loans. The Banking Amendment Bill 2015 also requires banks to pay at least 7% as interest on deposits. If assented into law in its current form, bankers will face stiffer penalties such as jailing errant bank CEOs for a year.
The chief executive officer who can suffer the imprisonment, or both fines and imprisonment can be done. This will avoid a situation where the law is not clear on who is supposed to suffer the consequences.
Regina Manyara Guitar reporting for Channel 1 Business.